fastest way to reach help for an active order on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen in here. Then you can click on orders at the top and go to the active order in here, and you'll find help option at the bottom. But if you can't find one, you can go back, go to help. After you go to help, you'll find help with an order. You can select the active order and it will show you all the options like change address, cancel order, refund, and other options. And these are the fastest way to reach help for an active order on Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.